Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create photo album of our photo collections. So, there can be a situation that you have special photographs of your memories and sweet memories like your engagement, marriage, picnic or any other festivals photo, and you have sweet memories in that photos. So now, if you want to present that photos to your families, to your relatives by using PowerPoint presentation, then you can create photo album of that photos and you can show to your loved ones. So to create photo album in PowerPoint, go to the insert menu and you will see photo album option in illustration command. So to create photo album, click onto the photo album and select new photo album. So once you click on the new photo album, one window will be open. To select photos from your machine or PC, select file or disk, which is insert picture from file or disk, and select photos which you want to include in your photo album. So I am selecting various pictures and click insert. So picture is inserted into our window. Now if you want to remove particular picture from this list, select picture and click on remove. If you want to change the order of picture, suppose you want to take jellyfish before the hydrangeas, then click on these arrows down and up. So I am taking up jellyfish. Now you can also change the orientation of picture by clicking onto these icons. Means you want to perform horizontal rotating or vertical rotating, then you can do this using this pictures button. You can also set light option and darkening option, brightness of pictures. Now you can also select picture layout. So if you want to display picture with title, then you can select this. You will see this type of layout when you are presenting your presentation. These are the various styles provided by picture album. So I am selecting first. You can also select frame, what type of frame in which you want to display your picture. So I am selecting this compound frame black. You can also select theme for your picture. So I am selecting any one of these theme. Now everything is done. So click on the create button and new photo album is created. So new photo album is created. It have title photo album. So I am changing title to memories and this title, and we can also see by whom this album is created by video tutorial. We can see various pictures. So this is about album creation in PowerPoint 2007. Now you can perform slideshow using the slideshow option and from beginning. So you can see various photos is created and theme is also set. So this is about creating album in PowerPoint 2007. Thank you.